Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Zarshid. I am working as a senior Maximo developer and I am working in a signal control company. And we have implemented many modules in a Maximo for King Abdulaziz International Airport, and I will we will demonstrate and discuss. But our first module, that is a asset module. So let me open the browser, and this is the login page of a Maximo, which has a username and password, and I am logging as a Max admin. So let me log in as a Max admin by clicking sign in. So you can see this is a start center of a Maximo. In a left panel you can see module of a Maximo. There are many modules like administration, analytics, asset, and many more. And in the other side you can see these are the portlets, and the right side you can see inbox assignment, which has been used for workflows and how to receive a task, like if there is a workflow for a work order and service request and an incident. And we can design KPIs or list of the records. We can also design in the portlet, as you can see in the scrap. So before creating, our first scenario is how to create a location and how to associate the location and in the parents. So let me tell you, there is some configuration that we have done for the implementation of these modules. Like we have a asset, we have a organization and site that has been declared and configured, that is Kaya, or and the other things, let me tell you about the location and asset. Location is a place where asset reside and where work has been can be performed. Operating location can exist in a hierarchy or a network or location system. In a hierarchy, the location has one parent, but in a network it can have multiple parents. For example, a transmission or distribution tower support two parent circuits location. Each circuit can be supported by multiple towers. So let's start how to create a location by using location application. To go, this is the asset modules, and click on location application. So this is the first page of the location application, and you can see the top the bar, like if there is a already stored location you can find by putting a location number, and you can click on this one. But here we can create a location by clicking on this button, plus button, new location. So this is the first page for the newly created location, but there are some parameters, and we have to put a value like some red static. You can see these parameters are mandatory. We need to put a value for this one, and some default are coming parameters value are coming, like site is a Kaya and status is operating. So let me start to give a unique identifier for this location. Let me put location, its name, test 004, and the description of that location, let me put location test 004. And the third one is a type of a location. Like by clicking this magnifier, we have some types for the location. Like these are the list of location: courier, holding, labor, operating, repair, salvage, vendor. But we will be working for a operating location. So let me choose this operating as a type for this location. And there are many other parameters, but the fourth one is a maintenance station. Let me choose that one by clicking this magnifier. I'll choose the first one, MS-1 maintenance. station 1. Okay, now save it by clicking this save location button, and the record has been saved. Okay, so scroll down. I'll show you another two section, that is system, and the third one is parent in a system. Now this section is empty, there is no value. Okay, but how to associate this location with the system, and what will be the parent of this location? And you can see there is a more action panel. Here we have many action for this location. So scroll down, there is a manage system action. To open this one, it will give you the dialog box, and as I told you that we have already some configuration, and we already configured the primary, so no need to configure again. So let me close this dialog box by clicking cancel button. So how to associate system with location? By clicking this option, this action. So I'll click on this action. It will open the associate system with location dialog box. Location and description and site is coming, but I'll create the system by clicking on this new row button. So I'll choose by the primary, and what will be the parent? I'll choose by clicking this angular button, and I'll click this select value, which will give me all the list of that has been stored in the system. But I'll choose one of the parent. Let me take this one 5126 zone C East domestic pair. So by clicking on this one, it will be pop up. Okay, so by adding the system and the parent, I'll click on this OK button. So now let me scroll down. Now you can see the system is coming, that is primary, and the parent is coming, that is F126, that we has been chosen by clicking on the associate system with location. Okay, so this is all about how to create a location and how to associate that location with the system and with the parent. So let me show you the drill down list, the drill down, and what is the hierarchy, how you can see those location in the hierarchy. Here we have in a more action, we have action open drill down. So click on this one. See, you can see the location is coming right now, but I'll show you the top one by clicking show all system button and choose the primary as a system, and it will give you all the location. The top one is a Kaya, King Abdulaziz Airport, and the others are the childs. And so as we store that location, let me open by clicking this angular button, because this is the parent. Let me open that one, and we can see here is a location test 004 location that has been added and become a child of this parent F126. So you can see it. So this is from a hierarchy that has been showing in this drill down window. So this is all about from location, how to create a location and how to associate the system and the parent. So let me close by clicking this cancel button. So thank you for today demonstration.